Deluxe Pretty Pretty Princess How to Play. The object of the game is to be the first player to have the crown and a complete set of jewelry in their color while not having the black ring. Assemble the game board clockwise in this order: blue, pink, green, purple. Place the open jewelry box, filled with the jewelry and crown around it, in the middle of the board. Place the lid, spinner side up, nearby. Each player picks a jewelry color and sits near that section of the board and takes the matching color token and places it on any game board space. Each player spins the spinner and the highest goes first. Then play proceeds clockwise. If it is a tie, spin again. On your turn, spin the spinner, then move your pawn clockwise around the board that many spaces. Then follow the instructions on the space you landed. You are allowed to share spaces with other players. The spaces are necklace, bracelet, and ring. Take that item in your color and put it on. Earring. Take only one earring in your color and put it on. Crown. Take the crown from the middle or from whichever player has it and put it on your head. Black ring. Take the black ring from the middle or from whichever player is wearing it and put it on. Put one back. If you currently have the black ring, put it back in the middle. If not, then you must put back any other single piece of jewelry you are wearing. If you have nothing, then ignore this space. Take a piece. Take any single piece of jewelry in your color or the crown and put it on. If another player is wearing the crown, you take it from them. If you are already wearing an item a space tells you to get, then do nothing instead. After following the rules on the space, your turn ends and the next player goes. Continue playing until one player has collected all their matching colored jewelry pieces and the crown while at the same time not having the black ring. Then they are the winner and can turn over the jewelry box lid and look at themselves in the mirror as the Pretty Pretty Princess.